This dreamy and vintage glow effect is going viral everywhere, and today I'll show you exactly how to create it. Not just that, you will learn how to apply it to hundreds of photos in one click. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Watch till the end. So I'm in Photoshop right now and I have this beautiful picture. First thing first, we are going to create an action. So go to Actions panel. If you can't see your Actions panel, just go to Window and turn it on like this. Now I'm going to select Grapexels action group, then create a new action by clicking this icon here. Let's rename it to Vintage Glow Effect and click to record. Now it's recording, so whatever I do in Photoshop, it will be recorded as an action. First of all, I'm going to duplicate the background layer by dragging it to the new layer icon like this. Or you can use the shortcut key Ctrl+N+I. Now right click to the background copy and convert to a smart object so we can work non-destructively. After that, change the blending mode from normal to screen. Then go to filter, blur and select Gaussian blur. Adjust the value according to how much blur you need in your picture. For me it's 30 pixels, then click OK. You can also reduce the opacity if you want to reduce the glow effect. Then let's create a labels adjustment layer above the background copy layer. Then I'm going to adjust the slider to fix the shadows, highlights and mid-tone like this. Look at the before and after. It already looks amazing, but there is more. Now let's create a solid color fill layer. Make the brightness 50% and make sure both hue and saturation are at 0%. Then right click to the solid color fill layer and convert to a smart object. Then change the blending mode from normal to overlay. Now go to filter again. In the noise menu, select add noise. Then make sure both uniform and monochromatic are checked and set the noise amount to around 8%. Then select all three layers by holding the shift key, then click this icon to make a group. After that, let's create a new solid color fill layer. Select any color for now and click OK. Then change the blending mode from normal to soft light. Now reduce the opacity to around 65%. Then click the layer thumbnail so you can change the color. Here you have the full control over whichever color you want to apply to the picture like this. For this picture, I think red looks best. Now let's see the before and after. Looks amazing, right? After that, create a new layer and change the blending mode from normal to screen. Then go to toolbar and select gradient tool. In the gradient editor, select this gradient type. Then you can simply create this light effect by dragging your radial gradient like this. By the way, this is optional. Now our action is ready, so let's go to the actions panel and stop the recording just by clicking this icon here. Our action for the vintage glow effect is ready. Now let's open another picture, go to actions panel and play the action we just created by clicking this play icon. You can simply change the light direction like this, or you can delete this layer too if you don't like. Beside that, now you can change the color effect simply by changing the solid color from here. For this picture, I think this color is the best option. Now let me show you how to apply this effect to your hundreds of pictures at once. Just go to File menu and in the Automate, select Batch. Here select the Vintage Glow Effect action, then click Choose to select the folder where you have all your pictures to apply the effect at once. Make sure you turn on the Suppress File Open Options dialogs and simply click OK. And there you go, this Vintage Glow Effect getting applied to all the pictures in the folder. If you want to change the color, blurriness, noise and lighting, you can simply do that one by one, or you can apply the same effect to all the pictures. And that's it. This is how you create your own dreamy vintage glow effect in Photoshop. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more Photoshop and AI content like this. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next video.
Every tool becomes a friend with Grapexels. The journey has no